A routine night patrol in Palm Beach County takes an unexpected turn. A man on a bicycle without a light, a small violation that quickly turns into a foot chase, a taser deployment, and an arrest. This is the full story behind that moment, caught on body camera.
I will tase you! Don't you move! Shut up!
I got nothing, bro.
Yeah, get this crack pipe on you here.
Huh?
On May 14th, 2025, deputies from the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office attempted to stop a man riding a bicycle without a headlight. The man, later identified as 34-year-old Edwin Murillo Smith, refused to stop. Deputies followed, activating their lights and sirens. The short pursuit ended when Edwin lost control of his bicycle and continued to run on foot. Bodycam footage shows deputies chasing and eventually using a taser to bring him under control.
He's trying to hightail it through the Wawa now. Don't f***ing move! Got one running on foot. Behind the wall part. I will tase you! Don't you move! Shut up! Shut up!
What are you gonna do now?
Turn around! Shut up! Put your hand behind your back now! Put your hand behind your back now!
Okay.
Take one of the cuts out and we'll fire. Give me your hand now. Give me your hand.
Right, somebody needs to get that backpack. The next unit coming, you pull a backpack in the middle.
¿Por qué me agarras, hijo?
Shut up. Stop moving.
Bro. I got nothing, bro.
Yeah, get this crack pipe on you here.
Huh?
How many more crack pipes you got on you?
No more, vete
You got them?
Yeah. That's stupid, bro. For a damn light on your bike, sit up on your butt. Sit up.
Pero espérate, me duele.
Search them good.
Yeah. Well, I can't.
Pero ahora te necesito bajar algo. Ven. Hey. Pero ahora estoy vendiendo algo.
I don't speak Spanish.
Ven. Hey. For what, bro?
You tell me for what? I mean, for your headlight on your bike?
I don't know. For what, bro?
For a headlight on your bike?
No, me cheating.
No, we should be able to pull that out.
For what, bro?
Siéntate.
Alright. Alright, hold on.
Where's the other dart? Doesn't look like one hit.
Pero
There's one
hispano.
right here.
Wait,
¿Tú eres hispano?
¿Hispano?
¿Hispano?
No.
Un poquito.
Ah,
Un poquito.
poquito.
Un licencia.
Ah,
Un licencia.
licencia.
Sí, licencia.
I got it. Hold on.
No, you hold on.
Alright.
Thank you.
I got it. Hold on, bro. Give me water, bro, please.
No.
No
You know
licencia?
my face, bro. You know my face, bro. Come on, bro.
¿Tienes paramédico?
Ah, no, estoy bien.
No
Solo.
paramédico, he's fine. ¿Estás bien?
Estoy bien, bro. What's up? ¿Por qué me agarran?
Okay, running.
Ellos me persiguieron de nada, bro. For nothing.
I can't really check him.
Hands
Looks
out of
like.
this cuff here.
Which one? Oh,
Okay.
He's trying to run again, I guarantee you that.
oh, see that.
Hey, bro, you said, bro. You said my face, bro.
Hey, turn around.
Alright, friend, pero...
No friend.
Hey, no duro, bro. Amigo. Suave, bro, suave.
Oh, you chill, bro.
You know my face, bro. Amigo, you know my face, bro.
Okay, stand up.
I don't know what's with all the crazy glue.
Yeah, pero you know my face.
Just watch the
I know
darts.
your face.
Oh, let me see. No.
Stay still. Stay still.
El police, bro, el police.
Tranquilo. Hey, no
No,
mueves.
me no move,
No
bro.
mueves.
Me no move.
I want to put one back on him because he's too small.
Give me my money.
Just hold this one.
Don't worry, you'll get your
Give me
money.
my money.
You'll get your money. I'm not taking your money. Trust me.
No se mueve.
Edwin was restrained after a brief struggle and sustained a minor cut to his forehead during the incident. A search revealed drug paraphernalia, including crack pipes, which were collected as evidence.
For me, five cars the police. Huh? For what? 5 cars the police for what?
Well, you stop. You stop with the police. You stop. That's it. Stop. Now you go to jail. Now you go to jail.
Because of your bike, you have no light.
Pero I don't know for what. Or
No light on
It
your
doesn't matter. Blue lights, you stop. I don't care if you don't know for what. So we'll get done with
No
this.
tienes luz en tu bicicleta. ¿Entiendes?
for luz.
Necesitas para.
No,
Con
pero
policía.
no. Yo estaba en la store. Me in the store.
You know, if you look at his face in that picture,
In the store.
you think so?
Yeah.
It is, right?
That's why I want to know what's in the backpack because he threw that right away.
Who has the backpack?
Caitlin has it.
Okay.
Se llama?
Tell her to come down here.
Two, three, I got the bag. Look at this crap. A drill, a shirt, and a drill, shirt, and a jumble.
Step out. Step
Otra
out.
vez, chilling, bro, chilling. Okay. Chilling, bro. Chilling, bro. Yo no te voy a...
Alright, so I'm gonna do his
Yo
left
estoy
hand.
arrestado.
Estás arrestado.
Yeah, pero a mí no libre, chilling, bro. No.
Papi, manos arriba. Let me see.
Yeah. Me agarra civil right now. ¿Me arrestado?
Sí, estás
Alright,
arrestado.
me agarra...
¿Dónde vives?
por police, por...
¿No tienen casa?
Agarré a house.
Okay. ¿Qué es la dirección?
I don't know.
He doesn't know. Orlando Avenue?
¿Por what, bro? ¿Yo dice arrestado o no?
Estás arrestado. Necesitas tu información por el papeles, ¿ok?
Por my mom. Y por my father.
¿Cuántos años tienes?
19.
19?
Bro, I am one question. Bro.
Listen,
I mean, I am one question.
you answer my questions first. How does that sound?
Yeah, pero que my English no good, bro.
Okay. ¿Cuántos años tiene en español?
19, bro.
Okay. 19. ¿Dónde vives?
Bro, si tú buscas Edwin Alejandro Murillo Smith, tú vas a buscar en tu computadora my location, bro, my house.
Okay. ¿Tienes una licencia o pasaporte?
Me es minor, bro.
¿Ah?
Me is minor.
¿Tienes una licencia o pasaporte? Okay. ¿De dónde eres? Honduras?
Yeah, sí.
Definitely.
Yo voy a ser un Illuminati, bro. Ustedes después me van a ver en la music, en videos, a mí, for me. Pues, everybody look for me en videos de la music. Voy a ser un Illuminati.
¿Es el primer día arrestado o después?
Yo nunca estaba arrestado.
Sí,
Pero me look for you y en el car every day. En los carros, bro, y look for me, bro. Come on, bro. Yo miro los carros y están igual.
Go the other way. Go around. Come on. Then he dipped through the Wells Fargo to go to Wawa.
No, it's not. He's not coming back with a hit on here.
With what?
He's not coming back with anything.
We have his real name. Miller, can you pull up the report now?
Yo. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
He was taken to a nearby hospital for medical evaluation and later booked into the Palm Beach County Main Detention Center. Edwin Murillo Smith now faces multiple charges: felony fleeing and eluding law enforcement, resisting an officer without violence, and possession of drug paraphernalia. What started as a small traffic stop ended as a reminder that refusing to comply can turn a minor issue into a serious criminal case. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Jury Duty for more raw files behind the lens.